Namaste. Coconut. Coconut and its benefits in Ayurveda. Tender coconut. Then the coconut which we use for making chutney, curry, coconut milk. This is the coconut. This is a little mature. Then the dried coconut, copra. From this we get the coconut oil. So Ayurveda is been, see, this is an Ayurvedic text called Bhava Prakasha. I will read a stanza about these various stages of coconut and its properties. Narikelo Dridapalo Langali Kurcha Shirshakaha Tungaskanda Palachoscha Trinarajas Sadagalaha Narikela Phalam Sheetam Durjaram Vasti Shodhanam Vishtambhi Brahmanam Balyam Vata Pitta Sradahanut Visheshatah Komala Narikelam Nihanti Pittajvara Pittadoshan Tadeva Jirnam Guru Pittakari Vidahi Vishtambhi Matam Bhishakbhihi Tasyambha Shitalam Hridyam Deepanam Sukralam Laghu Pipasa Pittajit Swadu Vasti Shuddhikaram Param Narikerasya Talasya Kharjurasya Shiramsi Cha Kashaya Snigdha Madhura Brahmanani Guruni Cha. This is a reference from a very ancient Ayurvedic text called Bhava Prakasha Nighantu. It describes the properties of tender coconut water. Tender coconut water. It says that tender coconut water is good for paciating acidity, paciating pitta, gastritis, acidity, pitta, these issues, jwara. It can be taken in case of fever. During fever, as a supplement, this tender coconut water can be consumed. Then pitta jwara, pitta doshan, other acidic conditions like gastritis, then ulcerations also, various issues of stomach related upsets, this tender coconut can be used. And Tadeva Jirnam Guru Pittakari, what happens is, this, the matured coconut water is a kind of more heavy in nature, so it is difficult to digest like that. Vidahi Vishtambhi Matam Bhishakbhihi, like that. Tasya Ambha Shitalam Hridyam Deepanam Sukralam Lagu. This also is very good for vigor and vitality, potency, increasing the seminal properties, semen qualities. To increase the semen qualities, those who are having infertility issues and all can consume tender coconut water as a regular drink. Vasti Shuddhikaram Param. Those who are having constipation can drink tender coconut water, so that it acts as a laxative. Vasti Shuddhikaram. It acts as a laxative. So let us not expect that when we take a laxative tablet or something, how it is acting. Definitely tender coconut may not act in that way. But in a course of time, when it is been consumed, definitely tender coconut water is going to relieve the constipation. Pipasa, those who are having thirst, those who are having burning sensation or any part of the body can definitely drink tender coconut water. Then what about the matured coconut, that nalikere na care? We can see Sheetam, it is cooling in nature. Durjaram, little difficult to digest. Vasti Shodhanam, again the coconut is also having a laxative effect. Vishtambhi means excessive amount if we take, it is difficult to digest. Brahmanam, it is good for weight gain. Those who are already having obesity have to take a restricted amount of coconut because it is primhanam. It is a weight gaining in nature. It induces weight gain. Vata pittasra dahanut. It paciates vata. Vata can be understood by different kind of pains like arthritis, joint pain. All these issues can be managed by taking coconut flakes, coconut made chutney and other products out of coconut. Daha, so for thirsty also. Now, what about this coconut oil? See, Ayurveda says that whatever the properties of the phala, the fruit, that is it is again reflected in the coconut oil. Again, coconut oil comes with two types. One coconut oil, then virgin coconut oil, then tenga venda enna. There are 2-3 types of coconut oil. It's very good for hair growth. Lot of fatty acids, lot of good fatty acids are there in coconut oil. See, in Bangalore, due to cold climate, it becomes solid. It is one of the indication of the purity of coconut oil. If it is liquid in cold conditions, definitely there will be some adulteration like that. Again, this is very good for hair growth, very good for internal also, for managing burns. We make tenga, this Neeli Bhringadi Kera Thailam. Kera Thailam is the name for coconut oil, and also we use for Muri Venna. There are various Ayurvedic oil preparations based on coconut oil. So these are the general qualities of tender coconut, matured coconut. Then this is used for various purposes, especially for homas, as a homa dravya. It is also very good for mouth ulcers. Can take a small piece of this copra, dried coconut, and it can be chewed slightly. That oil content and a lot of other fatty acids, medicinal properties help to manage the mouth ulcers. Mouth ulcers as one of the supplement. This copra can be used. Then coconut oil. Definitely this will be a helpful information. If you have any doubt about how to use, what are the other properties, is any doubt, you can please message. We will try to reply. Thank you.